As parents, we naturally observe every tiny detail about our baby's development, always curious about how they're experiencing the world around them. It is truly a joy to watch them grow and react to new sensations, especially sounds. When it comes to hearing, if your baby consistently does not startle or react to sudden, loud noises, it is not considered normal and warrants further investigation. This lack of response could indicate that there is something impacting their hearing ability. The reason this response is so important is due to something called the acoustic startle reflex. This is an involuntary, protective reflex that is present in healthy newborns and babies, and it's a key indicator that their auditory pathways are functioning. When a loud sound occurs, the brainstem automatically triggers a physical reaction, like a sudden blink, a flinch, or even the Morrow reflex, which involves throwing out the arms and legs. The absence of this reflex, or an inconsistent response, suggests that the sound might not be reaching the brain properly. If you have noticed your baby is not consistently startled by loud noises, the first step is to gently observe them in different situations. You can try making a sudden, loud clap or dropping a soft object near them while they are awake but not actively looking at you. If you continue to have concerns, it is crucial to speak with your pediatrician. They can assess your baby and recommend whether a formal hearing evaluation by a pediatric audiologist is needed to check their hearing more thoroughly. It is also good to know that newborn hearing screenings are routine in most hospitals, but sometimes issues can be missed or can develop later. Early detection of any hearing challenges is incredibly beneficial for a baby's overall development, especially for speech and language acquisition. A pediatric audiologist specializes in testing and managing hearing issues in children, making them the best resource for a definitive diagnosis. Taking action early if you notice your baby is not startling at loud noises is one of the best things you can do. By being proactive and seeking professional advice, you are ensuring that your little one has the best possible opportunity to develop their communication skills and thrive.